Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I will show you that how to crop a video in CapCut in 2024. It's very simple and easy. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first step you have to do is to open up the CapCut app on your phone. Okay, so now you have to select the video you want to crop from your gallery. Once your video is imported, tap on it. This will bring up the editing options at the bottom of the screen. Okay, so now you have to swipe right until you found the transform option. Okay, so now here you can see the transform option. Tap on it. Okay, so now you will see multiple options right here. You have to simply click on resize. Okay, so now you will see a crop frame around your video. Adjust the frame by dragging the corners or sides to crop the video as desired. Okay, so you can also use the aspect ratio options at the bottom to select a specific ratio like 1:1, 16:9 and 9:16. The 9:16 ratio is the ratio of YouTube Shorts and TikTok videos. Okay, so once you're happy with the crop area, tap the check mark icon to apply the crop to your video. Okay, so now preview your video to make sure everything looks good. If you are satisfied with the result, tap on the export icon at the top right corner. Adjust your export settings if needed, and then tap export to save the cropped video to your gallery. This might take few seconds. And that's it. You have successfully cropped your video in CapCut. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.